So we are now doing breakfast with the queens. We have Miss Universe Netherlands, Paraguay. We have Miss China, yeah, Miss Egypt, and Miss Belarus. So beautiful. This is just their breakfast look.
Exactly. More surprise after.
Yeah, especially it's the sashing ceremony today.
Yeah.
And tomorrow is the opening, so it's gonna be big.
Oh my god. Yeah.
Yeah, I heard that the rehearsal is early tomorrow, right?
That's right.
You'll be at the MGI Hall. So beautiful. Oh, Miss Equatorial Guinea, how are you? Are you good? Everything is okay. You had a good breakfast? Good sleep? Okay. English. French. Ah, moi aussi parce que j'habite à Paris. Ça va bien?
Oui, ça va, merci beaucoup.
T'es très 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 belle. Oh, some of the girls are already here doing their interview. Oh, the beautiful Miss Latina. Miss Sociology.
Wow, I love you so much.
So beautiful.
Thank you.
Early for breakfast
Ready for breakfast? Today's my first day.
day. Yeah, we were together when you arrived.
You were there.
Love your necklace.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, most of the girls are there already eating their breakfast, so you could join them. Ah,
I love
you look so fresh. No jet lag.
it. Well, I'm gonna be honest with you, I only slept 2 hours.
Yeah, it happens
I
to
had
me
wake up,
too.
do my makeup, do my hair, and even though the hair is not cooperating because of the weather, you know.
But you are just amazing.
Thank you, my love. Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Try. That's
Yeah,
the energy.
this is the woke up like this.
Exactly.
Yeah.
I woke up like this. I feel like it's a once in a lifetime experience. So even if you're tired, you have to do your best and give your best.
I know, it's game on, right?
Game on
Yeah.
until the 21st.
Yeah. Now, I will let you eat now.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, the
Bye.
food is amazing.
It was a pleasure seeing you.
See you. I missed you yesterday. So beautiful. Everything is good.
Yes, very good.
Today is the sashing ceremony.
Happy and honored to be in Thailand.
I know I was asking your roommate yesterday, where are you? Because I met you on the first day, but yesterday I missed you. I didn't see you at the lobby and I fell asleep at my room.
Now, early.
I know. We've been saying good things about you. And they're so proud of you being a mom and everything.
Yes, I'm representing.
Yeah. Enjoy your breakfast. Thank you. Miss Egypt and Belarus. So we have Miss Netherlands here. I have Miss South Africa and Nigeria too. Just wait. I have to find where they are sitting. Breakfast with the Queens. Ik ben moe. This is the beautiful Miss Nigeria. Your fans, they're Nigerian fans. This is from Miss Sociology. Look at the hair. Goddess. So you woke up so early today.
So early today. You know,
yesterday I was quite jet lagged.
I know.
Yeah, but today I'm feeling so energetic, in high spirits, ready to take on the day.
Look at her. This is just the breakfast look, right? L- Later, sashing and our dinner cruise.
Watch out for the outfit.
Say hi for your fans all over Nigeria.
Hello to everyone watching. Sawadika Thailand. Hello Nigeria. I hope you guys are well represented.
They are really supporting you in every post, like Nigeria, Nigeria.
So much for the love. Keep the energy coming. I appreciate it.
The,
I love you guys so much.
the power of the Nigerian people.
Of the Nigerian people. I'm so proud and happy and excited. Thank you so much.
Look at your Barbie doll. She's so beautiful. Enjoy your breakfast. Enjoy. So most of the girls are here right now. Hi. The ever gorgeous, the tall Miss Malta. Say hi to your fans, Missology. Look at her. Had a good sleep
Yes, I did.
and ready for today.
I'm ready for the day. Day 3. Let's go.
I know you have to have your good breakfast, sashing ceremony, and later our dinner cruise. Yeah, and we have Miss Kazakhstan as well. Gorgeous, looking so fresh. How are you? You all good? Wow, so beautiful. Enjoy your breakfast. Oh, Miss Belgium. Hi, you are the French Belgian or the Flemish?
Well, I speak both.
Both.
But I come from the Spanish part.
Yeah, I used to live in Capellen in Antwerp.
Yes, yes. I live there.
Me too. I used to live in Antwerp, in Capellen.
You live
Yeah, before, for 2 years. And my family, yeah, of course. I miss buying my bread at Panos and I miss doing my shopping at Mier. I know it's
Where do you live right now?
Paris. I move.
Aussi incroyable.
Oui, je parle en français un petit peu, mais parce que je travaille avec beaucoup les anglais, mais peut-être je sacrifice mon français. Oui. See, she's so beautiful. Miss Belgium. Thank you, enjoy. Who's your roommate? Indonesia, wow.
She's amazing. She's such a sweetheart.
I know. I'm happy that the roommates are like they from different continents even. Unlike before, before it was like when you speak the same language and you are roommates. Now you are forced to learn more about it.
It adds to the whole experience. So, and I'm very happy that I share a room with such a sweet person. And she's also very beautiful. So, as everyone here. So,
I know. Okay, I will not disturb you. You can eat now. Thank you. Still have our beautiful threesome here. Miss Netherlands, who is your roommate? Wow, China. I love it. I was telling Miss Belgium because her roommate is Indonesia. How they are doing this? Like everyone are from different continent. So you would be like learning their language, their culture.
Mandarin, so it's convenient to be with.
Mandarin. I forgot my Mandarin. I know ni hao ma, and when I'm doing shopping, I will say ni hao much. No, I was joking. Ni hao much. When I'm doing shopping, whenever I'm in Hong Kong. Poland. Wow. Yeah, has she taught you Polish words like dziękuję, dzień dobry? You can hear that.
English all the time.
I know. And you was how has it been your preparation? Yeah. Is it good? Yeah. So beautiful. Shashe. I'm just fluent with English, definitely, but because I live in France, so I have to speak Right, yeah. Jabita Peri. Depuis 2011. We, it's the city of love and lights. But I'm single, so I do not know where is love. I I think that someone will find me. Right? Yeah, yeah. I know, maybe. But I'm too busy with you, so I don't have time. Thank you. The food is so delicious. How can you do your diet? Look at my plate. Look. Yeah, because seeing you girls is already a feast. Thank you. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm just gonna check some others. The fans wants to see all of you like just chilling, casual. Okay. The girls are here. Oi, oi, oi. Aussie, Aussie, Aussie. Hello. Kazakhstan and Kyrgyzstan. So beautiful. You had a good sleep? Who is your roommate? Not yet. Oh, it's a surprise. And you? Oh, Russia. From Russia with love. And your roommate? Latvia. Wow. Everyone are still eating. I will take their pictures in a while. Their beautiful pictures. The girls are here. So I will do a live again later, okay? Bye.